Okay, so are you ready for this?
Yeah, hit me.
We're diving deep today
Okay.
into outlining,
Outlining, nice.
specifically for books.
Love it.
This text we've got, it's called
Yeah.
Reasons Why Having a Good Outline is Crucial for Writing a Successful Book.
I mean, that title's pretty self-explanatory.
Right.
Yeah.
But, like, we're going beyond the obvious.
Absolutely. Got to get into the nitty-gritty.
Totally.
Yeah.
This deep dive is, like, your secret weapon
Ooh, I like that.
to, like, finally conquer outlining.
Let's unlock that writing potential.
For real?
Yeah, so many writers I know, they skip outlining, think it'll, like, box them in,
Right. Yeah.
kill their creativity, you know?
Hold on. I used to think that too.
It's a myth.
Yeah.
This text, it smashes that myth.
Okay, good.
Outlining.
Yeah.
It can actually help with writer's block.
Oh, interesting.
Like, big time.
Okay.
It gives you, like, a roadmap for your whole story.
Okay.
Instead of staring at that blank page. Yeah.
You've got a path.
Okay.
Like a clear direction.
Right.
The book, it even says this, and it's so good.
What's it say?
It says, an outline isn't a cage,
Right.
it's a scaffolding.
Whoa, right.
I like that a lot.
Yeah, it's there to support you as you build
Makes sense.
your masterpiece.
That's powerful.
It is.
But, okay, so what about, like,
Yeah.
those writers who are more pantsers?
Yeah.
They fly by the seat of their pants.
Right. They like to discover the story as they write.
Exactly.
They can benefit from outlining, too.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Like, think of it.
Right.
An outline doesn't have to be this, like, rigid thing.
Oh, okay.
It can be super flexible for pantsers. Maybe it's more like jotting down ideas as they come, you know, key plot points or a cool character trait that pops up, themes, whatever.
Interesting.
So it becomes like a discovery map
Oh, I like that.
as you go.
That makes sense.
The book actually suggests this cool thing.
Oh, well, tell me.
A reverse outline.
What?
A reverse outline.
What is that?
So you outline
Okay.
after you've written the first draft.
Whoa, that's wild.
It helps you see, like,
Okay.
any inconsistencies, plot holes,
Right.
make sure everything flows.
Smart.
Super helpful.
I can see that.
Yeah,
Okay, so
Yeah.
we talked about focus,
Yeah.
organization, all that.
right.
But be honest.
Okay.
Does outlining really save time?
Oh, absolutely.
Really?
Yeah, think about it.
Right.
When you have a solid outline,
Yeah.
you're way less likely to, like, go off on tangents,
Oh,
you
yeah.
know?
Right.
Write yourself into a corner,
Okay.
end up with a jumbled mess
Yeah.
that needs, like, massive rewrites.
No one wants that.
Nobody wants that.
Yeah.
The book actually says
Yeah.
a well-crafted outline can save you weeks,
Yeah.
even months of rewriting time.
That's huge.
It is.
Time is so precious,
Totally agree.
especially for writers.
Absolutely.
So, okay, we know outlining helps us stay
Yeah.
focused, organized, efficient.
All that good stuff.
But what about the creative side?
Okay. Yeah.
Can an outline, like,
Right?
help us develop characters better?
It totally can.
Really?
Yeah, the book talks about this.
Okay.
Outlining can help you track, like, the development of your characters
Okay.
throughout the whole story.
Right.
Map out their motivations,
Yeah.
relationships, how they change,
Right.
and themes, too.
Oh, interesting.
It's like, you can make sure your themes are woven through the whole narrative.
Wow.
Yeah, like you can use your outline to
Yeah.
plant little clues or
Right.
foreshadowing elements.
That's good.
Yeah, it adds so much depth.
Wow, this is blowing my mind.
Right.
I never thought about outlining like this before.
It's not just about structure. It's about, like, unleashing the full power of
Yeah.
your story.
I love that.
And the coolest thing,
Tell me.
there are so many different ways to outline.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Mind maps, index cards, traditional outlines.
Wow, so many options.
You can try them all.
Okay.
Find what works for you. The key
Yeah.
is to find a method that feels, like, comfortable, you know,
Right.
and helps you bring your vision to life.
Okay, so for our listeners who are like,
Yeah.
I'm sold, I want to try outlining,
I love it.
how do they get started?
Okay, the book says,
Yeah.
start simple.
Okay.
You don't need this, like,
Yeah.
super detailed, crazy outline right away.
Right.
Start with the basics.
Okay.
Your main characters.
Okay.
The central conflict.
Got it.
The overall arc of the story.
Okay.
And then you can start adding more.
Right. Rep.
Subplots, scenes, details
Makes sense.
as your story grows.
Okay.
Remember, it's like a living document. It can evolve.
Right. So experiment, adapt as you go.
I love that.
It's all about finding what works for you.
So basically, the big takeaway is outlining.
Yep.
However you like to do it.
Exactly.
Can be a seriously powerful tool for any writer.
It's about clarity, structure.
Yeah.
And like you said, setting yourself up for a more successful and fun writing experience.
So to all the writers out there, I want you to ask yourself.
Ooh, good one.
What's your outlining style?
I love that question.
Yeah, how can you make this process work for you?
Totally.
And help you tell the most amazing story.
The best story you can tell.
Possible.
That's what it's all about.
I think these are some great questions to think about.
For sure.
And hey, we'll be here.
You know it.
For your next deep dive.
Oh, yes.
Uncovering even more fascinating writing insights.
Can't wait.
To help you on your journey.
Absolutely.
So until next time.
Happy writing.
Happy writing.
Okay, so are you ready for